Solving systems with a TI-Nspire. This is a system, two equations together, and I'm going to find the solution using only my calculator, the TI-Nspire. Here are the buttons that you will use to solve this. So here we are on the home. So you push this on and you get here. And I need to make a new document. So new document is the number 1. Go ahead and push 1. And then no, I don't want to save. So go to the right, cover the note, push enter. Okay, and then I want to do the calculator number 1. All right, here are my buttons. So menu, okay, 3. This is algebra class, so push the number 3. Okay, 2, this is system, so 2. And then 2 equations. And this is XY, so I'm just gonna leave that alone, voy a dejarlos solos, and then push enter. Now I put the equations, ahora voy a poner las ecuaciones. So exactly the same, exactamente igual. 4, here is X, equals Y, here's Y, minus 1. Okay, go down, baja, and then I'm gonna put 6. Here's X, so X here, this is not X, no es X, it's multiply, it's multiplicación. So no. Here is X. So X minus 2Y equals -3. Okay, and then you're just gonna go ahead and push enter, and here's my answer. So I have 1/2 3, 1/2 3. So the solution for this one is 1/2 3. So open your parentheses, put 1, divide 2, comma, 3, just like that. This is the solution. Easy. Okay, let's go ahead and do question 2. Pregunta 2. Okay, continue again. So menu, 3, 2. Okay, now here I have different letters. No XY, it's A, B. So A will be X, B will be Y. So go ahead and put A, comma, B. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and push enter. All right, write the equations. So 2A plus 5B equals -24 down. 3A minus 5B equals 14. Enter. -2, -4. So -2, -4. This is A, this one's B. All right, so that's the answer there. Let's go ahead and do question 3. Same thing. So menu, 3, 2. Okay, this is BA. B is first. So guys, this will be B, comma, A. So when I do my parenthesis, I need to remember the first one I put, el primero, is B in this case. And the second one is A. Okay, all right, enter. So I'm gonna put 4, oh, sorry, let me delete. So negative B equals 4A plus 1, go down, 4A plus B equals 2. Enter. No solution. So this one's no solution. Nothing will work. Nada va a funcionar. Let's go ahead and do example 4. Okay. So again, menu, 3, 2. Okay, XY. Yes, this is XY. Enter. Okay, let's put the equation. Y equals 2. X minus 4, go down, 2. x minus y minus 4 equals 0. Okay, this is something weird, algo raro. If you have something weird like this with the c, si tienes algo así, c1 divide 2. So if you have that, let me write it down so you remember. c1 divide 2 plus 2, comma, c1. If you have this, the answer is infinitely many solutions.